আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সবাইকে কোশ্চেন সলিউশন ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের পক্ষ থেকে স্বাগতম। আজকে আমরা ৪১তম বিসিএস প্রিলিমিনারি পরীক্ষার প্রশ্নের এমসিকিউ এর সমাধান করব। বিভিন্ন চাকরি পরীক্ষার প্রশ্নের সমাধান পেতে আমাদের চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। নিচে বিসিএস কোশ্চেন এর অ্যান্সারগুলো পিডিএফ আকারে লিঙ্কে দেওয়া আছে। প্রশ্নের সেট ৪। ইংরেজি ভাষা ও সাহিত্য অংশ এবং এর সমাধান। 136. Shylock is a character in the play. Answer: The Merchant of Venice. 137. Vanity Fair is a novel written by. Answer: William Macaulay Thackeray. 138. Pip is protagonist in Charles Dickens novel. Answer: Great Expectations. 139. Lady Chatterley's Lover was written by the author of. Answer: The Rainbow. 140. Identify the word that can be used as both singular and plural. Answer: Wood. 141. Find out the correct passive form of the sentence Who taught you French? Answer: By whom were you taught French? 142. The old man was tried to. 142. The old man was tired of walking. Here walking is an. Answer: gerund. 143. Which one is a correct sentence? Answer: The doctor examined my pulse. 144. I will not let you go. In this sentence, go is an. Answer: infinitive. 145. When Ushashi entered space, the room, everybody stopped talking. Answer: no preposition. 146. The play The Birthday Party is written by. Answer: Harold Finter. 147. Who is the author of the first scientific romance, The Time Machine? Answer: H.G. Wells. 148. Call me if you have any problem regarding your work. Here regarding is an. Answer: preposition. 149. Select the correct comparative form of the sentence A string of pearls was not so bright as her teeth. Answer: her teeth were brighter than a string of pearls. 150. Come on, it's time to go home. Here home is an. Answer: adverb. 151. Huffing and puffing. We arrived at the classroom door with only 7 seconds to spare. In this sentence, the verb arrived is. Answer: intransitive. 152. Which one of the following is a common gender? Answer: sovereign. 153. To win a prize is my ambition. The underlined part of sentence is an. Answer: noun clause. 154. Shows the word opposite in meaning to terse. Answer: detailed. 155. Who's that? In this sentence, that is oblique a and oblique n. Answer: pronoun. 156. What is the noun form of the word know? Answer: knowledge. 157. Why? Then it's none to the 157. Why? Then it's none to you, for there is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it to show. This extract is taken from the drama. Answer: Hamlet. 158. Made weak by time and fate, but strong in will to stop, to seek, to find, and not to yield, is taken from the poem written by. Answer: Alfred Tennyson. 159. Give somebody a piece of your mind means to. Answer: tell someone that you are very angry with them. 160. I shall help you provided you obey me. Here the underlined word is a oblique n. Answer: conjunction. 161. Identify the correct spelling. The questionnaire. Answer: questionnaire. 162. Which but is a preposition. Answer: what can we do but sit and wait. 163. Who is not a romantic poet? Answer: T.S. Eliot. 164. In Shakespeare's play Hamlet, Hamlet was Prince of. Answer: Denmark. 165. Adila, Costed, and Mrs. Moore are characters from the novel. Answer: A Phases to India. 166. Time held me green and dying, though I sang in my saints like the sea. These lines have been quoted from Dylan Thomas poem. Answer: Fern Hill. 167. One whose attitude is eat, drink, and be merry is. Answer: Epicurean. 168. Was this the face that launched 1,000 ships and burnt the topless towers of Hiom? Who speaks the famous lines? Answer: Posters. 169. The character Alfred Dolittle is taken from Shaw's play titled. Answer: Ximilion. 170. The poem The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock is written by. Answer: T.S. Eliot.